What's up? What's up? This is Amari Safare here. First video, not my first video, but first daily video. What we're doing here, we're gonna this is the beginning of a lot. This is the beginning of not worrying about what other people are doing. This is not stressing over what position you're in. This is not the place to like really worry about if you're doing it right, if you're doing what everybody else is doing. This isn't the place to stress out about where you're at in your entrepreneurial goals. This is just a place to start. Honestly, today I just got tired of it. Like, I got a whole bunch of other equipment around here, and things and guides and videos and tools to use, but I was like, man, let me take it back basic. So what I did is pretty much I ordered a $200 computer on Amazon. I got this mic, this Blue Yeti mic. This is like a $100 mic, Blue Yeti. I bought this from Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see it, but anyway, yeah, this is the mic. I got the webcam that I'm using now. It's like $30. So all in all, I spent like $400, $450. I don't know. My math is probably a little messed up with tax and shipping and monitors and all. A couple of things I'm not including. But pretty much this say $500 setup. I mean, it looks better online. $400. I guess you should do probably the least expensive price, but I'm gonna say a $400 setup. It's gonna give me $10,000 a month, hopefully by the end of Christmas. I'm starting everything new. I'm starting fresh. I'm going to things at a different angle. Once again, this is Level Up with Safare, and this is just a place where you can just level up. And I got tired of just watching things online and seeing people make money and have claims and live a different life than they really are accustomed to, just because they do a couple of videos online and they got people to follow them and they're selling a couple of things, and they're not really living the life that they should, or the life that I would live if I had the rock like they did. So this is just a place. This is the beginning. This is the place. If you follow me, if you subscribe, if you like, you share, all that stuff, you're gonna be in the forefront. You're gonna be in the area. You're gonna be at the start line of where I'm at. I'm starting everything fresh. Every account that I had is starting today. I'm going to show you guys everything from Builderall, from ClickFunnels. I'm going to do Amazon FBA, so get your money up. I'm going to do Shopify eventually, drop shipping, retail arbitrage, probably not. But I mean, everything online that people are making money with, posting YouTube videos, in a specific niche. Everything that people are doing online, this is the place where you're going to see it. I don't want to, start making videos and claim that I'm already so far ahead where you can't keep up and you can't catch up and you just watching me do what I do. This is not the place for that. We're starting at the beginning. You got $300, $400, like, you can get everything that I got here. Everything that I got, everything. I got a sheet in the back. This is a sheet covering up like the rest of my area because I'm doing something with it. So I just don't want everybody to see it right now. It's going to be a little different in a couple of days here. But like I said, I just want to get this video out just to show everybody that this is the beginning. This isn't, I'm not like, gonna make it seem like everything is perfect. I got everything figured out. I'm gonna show you guys every day. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. I'll tell you right now, the plan is to have like once a week, have like a different, like a different area, like maybe the first affiliate marketing week, maybe it's, building funnels, something like that. But everything that I do is going to be from the beginning. I'm not starting anything in the middle. I'm not going to, anything that I got going on already, like, I'm going to do that because I know how to do it, but I'm going to start at the beginning again. I'm not going to pick up where I'm at, so if you guys got the setup, you guys got a computer, you watching this on the computer, like you watching this on the computer, like you watching YouTube videos, you can see what type of dude I am, what type of guy I am, the way I'm talking. I'm not one of those fake people to claim or say I'm a guru or I got so much invested, or I'm not one of those guys. I'm starting from the beginning. Anything that works online, we're going to test it here. We're going to test it here. So if you have the ambition, if you have the goal, if you have the hopes and dreams to have $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, $1,000 a month, $500 extra a week, whatever your goals are, like, we're gonna cover it here. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna get to the point where I'm not gonna be all the way leveled up or selling courses or anything like that. I'm not saying that. I hope to God we get to that place. But if we don't, I'm gonna give you a lot of experiences. I'm gonna tell you exactly where I messed up at. I'm gonna tell you how how I pivoted and how I did things differently. Everything doesn't have to be perfect. Everything doesn't have to be right. Like, hopefully, like, you guys can see. I don't know if this is coming off on camera, but I don't have anything like written down. I don't have anything, planned out. I mean, for this video, for the weeks to come and all that. Yeah, I want to do certain things, but this video, this is just to let everybody know, start today. Like, start today. Like, don't wait till you get another computer. Don't wait till you get a haircut. Don't wait until you get a better setup. Don't wait until you got, oh yeah, my bad, I also bought a $100 computer desk. So that's why the price is a little bit higher, that I was saying earlier, but that's what I forgot. But anyway, yeah, I just want everybody to be able to do something and start now. It took me so long to like start a video, to like post a video and like really like feel like, that was decent, but once you start, like, you can't stop. So everybody has something to give. I don't care where you're at. If you're one step above, if you started today, like, there's things that other people who hasn't started yet. There's things that that they don't. So it doesn't matter where you're at. It doesn't, you don't have to lie. You don't have to make false claims. Just start. This is where we're doing. This is the start. This is the beginning, area. This is a community. This is a family. I'm pretty much doing this just so I don't know everything, so I want to be able to like update everybody and broadcast my progress so everybody can see where I'm at, how I got there. And also, if you are a couple of steps ahead of me, like you're further down, I'm going to ask questions, and my comment section is going to be where I'm at constantly. I don't have a lot of followers now, I don't have a lot of engagement, so if you comment, if you're the first person to respond after I post a video, I'm responding to you. I'll probably, hey, just give me your email. Hey, just give me your Instagram. Hey, just give me whatever, so we can communicate and we can bounce ideas off of each other. Like, this isn't a place where it's so big and there's so many people watching, I can't keep up, don't hit me here, no, we're starting right now. This is a community, a family. I'm going to create a Facebook group. I'm going to have a cell phone where people can call in. I'm going live every day. I'm posting videos every day. I'm going to go on a rant like this every day. This isn't the video where I'm giving out information. This is just a rant to begin the whole process. So you're going to have these every day. You're going to have a live every day, at least an hour, and you're going to have an informational video to basically, track my progress and tell you guys where I'm at. That's happening every day. Like, I don't care who you are, where you are, what you have going on, the knowledge you have. I don't care how much money you have. I don't care where you live. I don't care how you look. I don't care any of that. Any of that doesn't matter. Nothing of any of that matters. You just start. You just have to start. You got a computer, you got a voice, you got a face, you start, wherever you're at. So pretty much the goal is to turn this $400 or $500 setup that I have, the desk, the mic, the computer, the webcam, links will be in the description. But this is just pretty much the beginning of everything. So I want you to roll with me. I don't want to look back and see you guys and, oh, come over here, catch up, No, I want to be able to, everybody go up different mountains at different times. And as soon as one person gets to the mountain, you bring another person up. And if we both get to the mountain at the same time, like, we both went up and we went different paths. We took a route to get to the top, but we at the top. So the next mountain we go to, we're going to get there to the top twice as fast, because you have different knowledge than I have. I have different knowledge than you have. My experiences are different. Yours are better. It doesn't matter what, where you're at. You're starting today. I don't care where you are. You see this video, you create a YouTube channel. I don't care if you're already posting videos, you post a video today. You create it, you at least start something, and that's where we're at today. I got probably the cheapest setup on YouTube. I probably got the cheapest setup of somebody who's going to make, hopefully, a crazy amount of money, just passive income, residual income, just income, because we working. This isn't a place where I'm just going to expect to just have things come to me and not, work for it, Like, I promise you, everything I do is real. Everything I say is going to be exactly the way that I'm telling you. Nothing sugar-coated. Nothing is, it's weird because I keep looking at it. It's hard for me to look at the camera and talk, so that's why I'm looking down at the monitor. I'm actually looking at myself right now, so it's kind of weird, but whatever. But yeah, this is the video. I know it's going to be kind of long. This is just a rant. No real information is here, but just start. This is today. You start now. Like, I don't care. Like I said, I don't care where you at, what you do, what work you have going on, how much money you got. You start today. If you need help, if you need any type of inspiration, if you have any questions, you ask me. You post here. I'm gonna leave all my social media in the comment section and the description. But yeah, this is today. We're starting today. This is Level Up with Safare. It's time to level up. It's time to get everything that you want. You want a nice car, you get that. You want a nice house, you get that. You want to buy whatever you want, you get that. We start now. We creating a brand, we creating knowledge, we creating funnels, we creating passive income, we creating products on Amazon FBA. We're doing affiliate marketing because that's easy. Like if you rock with me, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm doing, so you got to follow it. If you want to follow it, you got to get the tools that I have. So that's easy. It's not even something I'm just gonna be throwing out, like trying to promote and just give away. No, just follow me. I want you to follow me. So if you do, you have to have what I have. You have to have the tools that I have or something similar. But if you have exactly what I have, the tools, the mic, the setup, everything, I'm familiar with it, so we can all help each other. It's just easier that way, you know. But yeah, Level Up with Safare. This is the beginning. Daily videos. I might go live today if I get some response to this video now. I don't know. But we'll see. Tomorrow, definitely. It's starting together. You know, I'm hitting the gym in a little bit, you know, so that's why I'm a little like wearing like a workout, you know. We doing that too. We getting in the gym too. Like you could probably see my physique. I'm 6'5", you know, but I'm kind of like, you know, like I could have been, you know, a little bit. I probably can lose like 20 pounds. So we doing that too. Level up everything. Everything, level up in everything. Job, work, spirituality, religion, whatever you're into, relationship, everything leveling up. Everything. You can always do better with everything. So I don't care where you at. You make $20 million a month. You make $100,000 a month. You make $1,000 a month. You got a regular job. You don't make YouTube videos. I don't care where you at. You starting today. You part of the community. I don't know what gang, what team, what level up group we gonna have, but it's gonna be something. And I just want everybody with me. I don't want to, you know, have somebody ask me like, "Oh man, you started so long ago, and you're so many, like you got 300 videos posted. Like I'm not there yet, so I can understand why." Nah, you start today. If you're watching this video a year from now, when I posted it 2 years from now, you're gonna see a consistent path of where I'm at. So you just follow along, you know, and hopefully we get there together, you know. Hopefully you get there before me so I can have questions, so I can ask you questions, you can help me out. If I get there first, you know, I'm giving out knowledge, because this is everything that I know, everything that I hear and understand, I'm giving out, you know. So yeah, anyway, Level Up with Safare. This is pretty much, this isn't the first video, but this is day one of starting with this $500 setup. $500 setup is going to hopefully bring in, you know, $10,000 by the end of the year, you know. And next year, 2019, we starting fresh, but 2018 we about to end strong. We about to start going crazy. I'm sorry, I'm a flood. If you following me, if you like, subscribe, whatever you do, you're gonna see a lot of videos, and I apologize ahead of time, but there's nobody on YouTube that's gonna make more videos than me. If you starting today, I'm gonna have more videos than you. I don't care who you are, like what you do, what backing you got, manager, all that. Like there's nobody putting out more free videos than me on YouTube starting today, guaranteed. So this is where we at. Hopefully you understand. I don't mean to come off like arrogant and rude and all that, because I'm not that type of guy. I just want to help. I just want to, you know, get to a point where I don't have to worry. You know, worry if you know, I always hear people say, if you pray, don't worry. If you worry, don't pray. Like I don't want to have to do either. I just want to just do. I just want to know, have, create, and help, inspire, motivate, all that. So this is what we're doing. We're starting today. Level Up with Safare. Like, subscribe, share. You know, tell me what you want. Like, tell me the first thing I should do, if it's affiliate marketing, if it's Amazon FBA, if it's Shopify dropshipping, retail arbitrage. Tell me what you guys want to see, because I'm laying it out. I got the screen capture, all that. Like, we doing everything that everybody else is seeing, everything that everybody else is doing. I'm doing it here, but I'm doing it legit, and I'm doing it real. There's no fake, there's no fluff. You know, I'm gonna show you everything. If anything happens, I'm gonna update everything. So yeah, there we go, man. This is it. Get inspired, get motivated. Let's go.